How to remove accounts from Instagram account list. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can delete or remove accounts from your Instagram account list. It's very simple. Of course, the very first thing that you will have to do is to pull up or access your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in. Now there's actually a lot of things that you can do for here. So the very first thing that you can try is to tapping on your current Instagram username. Then once you've done that, you should be able to see option here that says other profile. If you would like to remove a different account, just simply tap on the three dots, and then you should be able to see an option here that says remove account. If you're currently logged in on the account or you're onto your main account, you will not be able to see that option. So it has to be on a different account. The other thing that you can do is to access settings at the top right, and then from settings, you can go into account center. Scroll down, choose on Manage Accounts, and this is one way of doing it as well. You should be able to see other accounts here by just tapping in Manage and then choose on Remove. And that's how you remove accounts from Instagram account list.